Hi everyone, Erlyn here to share with you today how to heal from betrayal and rebuild trust in a relationship. But before we dive into this very important topic, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so that you don't miss out on one of my weekly videos. Every week, you'll be receiving holistic tips and relationship coaching strategies to help you grow and strengthen your relationship. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And I must share this great news with you all. I am so excited to share the launch of my masterclass, Become a Certified Naturopath or Health Coach, live on March the 17th at 7 p.m. Listen up guys, seats are limited, so click the link in the description and grab your spot today. I can't wait to see you there. Oh, and there's some awesome news. Also, there's a guide on career training for when you register. Yes, a guide on career training and naturopathy for when you register. So grab the link, okay? So now let's get into today's topic. Let's begin with betrayal. It's one of the deepest pains a person can experience. Whether it's infidelity, dishonesty, or broken promises, betrayals shatters trust and leaves you to question everything. But healing is possible. Trust can be rebuilt. Let's talk about it. Understanding betrayal and its impact. First, let's acknowledge the weight of betrayal. When trust is broken, it doesn't just hurt emotionally, it rewires your brain. Studies show that betrayals triggers the same areas in your brain that processes physical pain. It creates emotional trauma, self-doubt, and even anxiety or depression. Betrayal equals to emotional trauma. So if you're struggling, I want you to know it's not just in your head. Your brain and body are reacting to real emotional wounds. But like any wound, healing is possible. The first step to healing after betrayal. Let's look at that. Before you can build trust, you have to heal yourself. Here are the first 3 steps you need to take. 1. Acknowledge and process the pain. You have to feel to heal. So feel angry, feel sad, feel betrayed. Don't rush to get over it. Journal, talk to a therapist, or meditate. Suppression emotions only delays the healing. Step 2, set boundaries and self-care. Here is another step. Protect your energy. Whether you're staying in the relationship or walking away, you need to set clear emotional and physical boundaries. This might mean space, therapy, or certain non-negotiables moving forward. Decide if you want to rebuild trust. Here's what this looks like. Rebuilding or releasing. Okay, ask yourself, does this person take responsibility? Do they show real effort to change? If the answer is no, walking away might be the best option for self-care. Now, how to rebuild trust if you choose to stay? That is a good question. If you've chosen to stay, rebuilding trust is a process. Here is what it takes. Open, honest communication. The betrayer must be willing to answer tough questions and provide reassurance. If they get defensive or dismissive, trust cannot grow. Actions over words. Apologies mean nothing without change behavior. You are looking for consistency, not just promises. Patience and professional help. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes therapy and real effort from both partners. Okay, honesty and time. You need time to heal. Healing from betrayal is never easy. It is possible if you're going through this. I see you. I support you. You can drop me a line in the comment if you ever experience betrayal. And let's create a space for healing. Subscribe to my channel if you want more information about relationship therapies. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a new video every week. Oh, and remember to click the link in the description and register for Become a Certified Naturopath or Health Coach Live on March 17th at 7 p.m. I can't wait to see you there. Bye for now, and I really hope you enjoyed this video.